Welcome to Simple Finance. In this video, we're going to reveal 3 essential things you need to do to become rich. No BS, just practical advice that anyone can follow. Smart investing. It's crucial to put your money to work for you. Investing isn't just for the wealthy. Anyone can do it. When you invest, your money has the potential to grow over time, making you richer. But don't worry, you don't need to be a finance guru. Diversification, which means spreading your investments, helps manage risk. Remember, investing involves risks, but being informed and cautious can help you grow your wealth. Look at people like Robert Kiyosaki, who started small and became wealthy through smart investing. They're proof that you don't need a fortune to get started. Financial literacy. Understanding your money is crucial. It starts with basic things like budgeting and financial planning. Financial literacy doesn't require a degree. It's about learning and applying essential principles. There are plenty of books, courses, and resources available to help you get started. Take Elon Musk, for example. He turned his life around by improving his financial literacy. It's a skill that can change your future, too. Entrepreneurial mindset. It's about thinking like an entrepreneur even if you don't run a business. Being open to opportunities and willing to take calculated risks can accelerate your path to wealth. You don't need a groundbreaking idea. It's about spotting opportunities in everyday life. Think differently, and don't be afraid to take that first step. People like Bill Gates started with nothing and built their fortunes by embracing an entrepreneurial mindset. You can too. Start applying these principles today, and your journey to wealth will begin. Don't wait. The time to act is now. Thank you for watching. If you found this video valuable, please subscribe, like, and share it with others. Stay tuned for more insightful content on your journey to financial success.